It's Barry here with the Orchard Ukulele Theatre Group. This is the year where you pick up the ukulele, come and join us and have fun and learn some of your favourite songs that you can impress your family and friends with.
Sitting at home doing nothing, and I saw the advert in the pantomime programme, and I thought, I'll give that a go. And I turned up, and that's it. It's been great.
It's like a social club. It's like a therapy group, and you learn to play an instrument as well.
And I've got 30 friends out there that I've never had before.
I'll get companionship now.
Social, very social, and it's lovely playing with everybody, no matter what stage you're at.
Connection and the friendships that you make and the bonds, and it's encouraging. It makes you want to play more because you're together.
There's just so many different range of people, and we all get on.
You've got very young ones here, and you've got very old ones like Barry. He's like a Duracell battery. You can't stop him. So much energy anyhow. I think it bounces off him a bit into us.
He's loud, enthusiastic, everybody loves him. He makes the effort.
Yeah, he's very energetic. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, let's go! I can see clearly now, the rain has gone. There we go. So many opportunities to perform outside of this wonderful space, like the Christmas lights switch on here in Dartford.
We've done gigs in the bandstand.
We did the West End Theatre when Jersey Boys was on. We played in the foyer.
A couple of pubs in the local area that we've played little afternoon gigs at. Yeah, always good fun.
We also perform at local care homes and local spaces where they host events.
Come and have a go, because you never know, you might like it. I mean, it's great. I'll come every week. I look forward to coming now. It's really good. Highlight of the week.
So it is really beginner friendly. It is also intermediate and advanced friendly. Don't be afraid, just come and join us. Please check in and come and join us to have some fun with the ukulele.